Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my new video. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing great. And so today's video starts with a beautiful Sunday morning. You know the word Sunday itself brings different kind of happiness to children's faces. There's no rules to wake up early for school or college, and the whole morning feels for relaxed. The morning sunlight is already here, giving us some much needed vitamin D, and the air so cool, refreshing breeze blowing. It's such a peaceful morning. So let's see what the day has in store for us and what activities we are going to do today. For now, I'll have some coffee or breakfast, and then we all officially start our Sunday. Start with me till the end of the video. So friends, just like I said, let's see what activity have planned for today. Well, the morning has barely started and we already have some work to do. First, we have to make our cows calf to the field and live in there for the day. As you can see, Pinto is walking ahead to take the calf and the field, and I'll follow behind with the vehicle. So this how our Sunday morning has started with some village work before we can actually enjoy the day. Friends, we are home after dropping off the calf. I've taken a shower, fresh up, and now I'm getting ready to leave for college. Today is Sunday, but our college has still college and Raksha Bandhan is coming festival up, and after that we all have survival holidays. So the college is trying to cover the missed classes beforehand. Anyway, I am all ready already. Now let's grab the bike and head to college. Stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Let's start the bike and then head to the college. And look, Avdesh bhai is studying here. He has also come to have and harvest the crops. भाई एक बार ऐसे बोल दे.
XY Fox me or me Hironda X company.
Is English very good, and English में 10 में से 10 है ना marks.
10 में से 10 is my English to be English spelling.
Yeah.
It's my Hironda.
So guys, I am back home now. When I got home, I noticed that our dog had some worms, so we called the doctor and got him treated and gave him the and look at grandamma.
यो बना लखना कोई न कोई
She is having tea in this crazy. It's already afternoon and the sunlight is absolutely vital. It's seriously hot today.
दाल आलू की सब्जी रोटी
चाय जगह मारो भी. Guys, I told you this morning we had taken the calf quite far away. I drove nearly 10 kilometers to leave him near the cow, and Pintu was supposed to take care of him there. But look at this, he someway found his way back from such a long distance. It's a crazy how sensitive their senses are. They can somehow recognize the route and follow it all the way back. I had just woken up from a nap and look who I found right here. Mom said that we'll have to take him back and leave him there again. But right now it's still pretty hot outside, so we'll wait until the sun goes down a little and it gets color and shadow. Then we all taken him back again. Stay tuned.
Woke up late, missed the morning blaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plane, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat.
Friends, we come here to leave this calf, but honestly we have no idea where it will go. It had already come here in the morning and now there's a straight path landing towards the fields, so let's see what happens next. The sun is about to set and it's already evening. It is get dark sun, so we have to leave the calf before it gets completely dark. Thankfully I brought their car with me and I even switched bike. I gave the other bike to dad because the had just returned from trip and brought this one because it has proper lights. And otherwise if we got stuck here after dark, brother, we the trouble. I am not really scared of the night, but this guys definitely get secured when it gets completely dark. So let's get this done before nightfall. Friends, just like I said earlier, it was going to get dark in the evening, and look, it's happening actually like that. We have not even managed to leave the calf yet, and it's already getting dark. Look behind me, it's almost completely dark now, and this road is totally destroyed. There's hardly anyone coming or going from here, so we needed to get this calf settled as soon as possible and head back before it gets completely dark. Let's see what happens next. Friends, just like I said earlier, it was going to get dark, and look, it's completely dark now. But finally we managed to leave the calf safely. Everything went smoothly, and now we can head back home. Guys, we finally got home and had our dinner, but now our legs are hurting really body, and honestly this Sunday is going to be one on remember. So I am ending today's vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, good night, thank you so much.